Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about Project Dress a Girl. So, what is Project Dress a Girl? It is an initiative launched and led by Mari from Mari Sews here on YouTube and Mari Sews for Curves on Instagram. Now, the goal here is to make dresses during the month of September and basically for little girls in need. This could be girls who have basically nothing, refugee girls, girls in extreme poverty. So Mari collects all of these dresses and sends them for little girls to wear. Now, each country has ambassadors. So in Canada, for example, where I am, I'm going to be sending my dresses to Shari from Practical Stitches, and she's going to take care of sending all of the Canadian dresses to an organization that's going to distribute them to Ukrainian little girls who are living right now in refugee camps. So get all of the details. I'm going to link to Mari's kickoff video so that you can get all the information you need about the charity, about the organization, and also get all of the requirements for the dresses. You know, what type of fabric to use, what closures to put in, so on and so forth. So I'm not going to go over everything. I'm just going to link to Mari's video and you can get all of the information you need. Now, there is a vlogger tour throughout the month of September. Today is obviously my turn, and our job is to spread the word about the charity event and make sure that we encourage people to make dresses. You don't have to make 15 dresses. You only need to make one dress. If you can make more, then that's great. But if you do make a dress, please make sure to remember to take a picture of it, post it to Instagram, tag Mari Sews for Curves on Instagram, and use the hashtag Project Dress a Girl 2023. And then your dress or dresses will be counted towards the overall total of dresses we're sending to little girls. All right, so what did I manage to get done? Well, I managed to get 2 dresses done, and I'm going to share both with you. Now, I worked with Shari from Practical Stitches as sort of a collaboration. So she reached out to me back in August, I think, and offered to send me some fabrics to put my dresses together. Now, Shari, in addition to having a YouTube channel, has an online fabric store in Canada, in Nova Scotia, and she specializes in fabrics for men or more masculine type fabrics. But she did buy fabric specifically for Project Dress a Girl, and she sent me 1 meter of 2 of those, or 1 meter of each of those 2 fabrics to make my dresses. So the first dress I made is this one with the gorgeous big flowers on the fabric. This is a 100% cotton fabric. I used a tutorial by Thoughtful Creativity on YouTube, and I'm going to link it below. It's basically a tutorial and pattern to make a one size dress. I think it's a size 5. It's got side pockets. It's got like shoulder straps. It's finished with bias binding at the neckline and armholes. You have the option of adding a ruffle at the bottom. I simply hemmed mine, but I absolutely love this little dress. How cute is this? I added some bias binding as a detail for the sleeve. And of course, I have my Project Dress a Girl label on the pocket. Now, this was super simple to put together. Just a little bit of a warning. You can download this pattern from the YouTube channel I'm going to link to, but you do have to add your seam allowances to each piece. But other than that, this is a really, really simple dress to sew and put together. So this was my first dress. The second dress I made, I decided to use a free pattern from Oliver and S, the popover sundress. And here she is. I'm going to insert pictures of these because I realize they're pretty big and you probably can't see them very well. But I used the second fabric Shari sent me. So cute little hearts. Love this. Again, it's 100% cotton. I used a Kona cotton from my stash for the accent pieces. So for the yoke and for the ties. And I added some cute tie pockets, and I got the tutorial for these on Jen, today in Jen's sewing room. She has, gosh, I think she put out 3 or 4 different videos recently with tutorials on how to put pockets on your dresses. So this free pattern does not come with pockets, but I basically used Jen tutorial for mine and they came together super, super easily. Her tutorial is really good. I put my little label on one of the pockets and I made the largest size for this pattern. I forget what the size is, but it's got a few sizes and I made the largest one. So this is dress number 2. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to be sending my dresses to Shari probably next week now. And my dresses are going to be off to a couple of little girls. So a huge thank you to Mari for organizing this huge undertaking, really. A big, big thank you to Shari, who sent me the fabrics to put my dresses together. I'm going to link to her shop down in the description. Definitely go have a look. She's got some really, really nice fabrics in stock. And a big thank you to Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room for her tutorial for the pockets. These were so much fun to make, and I'm now thinking I need some of these pockets for me on some of my garments. They are really, really nice. Mari is also creating a playlist here on YouTube. So if you search for hashtag Project Dress a Girl 2023, you will see all of the vloggers who talked about the charity, but also get lots and lots of inspiration as far as patterns you can use, fabric you can use, and even some tutorials to kind of zhuzh up your dresses a little bit. So I highly encourage you to participate. If you have a little bit of woven fabric in your stash that would be perfect for a little girl's dress, then please go ahead and watch Mari's video to get all of the requirements. Have a look at the hashtag for inspiration and get sewing. You still have a little bit of time. The dresses should be made and posted to Instagram in September, but you have the entire month of October to send off your dresses to the different regional and global representatives who are helping Mari with this. So there you have it. I really, really hope you're going to get involved. You still have some time to sew up your dresses. Both of these dresses come together so quickly. If you have a couple of hours and a meter of cotton fabric, you can easily get these dresses done. Now, if you need labels, because that is one of the requirements, your dresses have to have a label. If you're in the US, you can contact Mari from Mari Sews or Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room. They both have labels. In other parts of the world, you can look on Mari's website and find out where you can get labels for your dresses. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please give the video a like on your way out if you liked it, and consider subscribing to the channel. I really, really hope you decide to get involved in this amazing charity. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.